effort would take it down to hell. Kill this bug.
Oh my god. It just moved.
Go!
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Done.
No. No, we don't play corner games. No. Go on the ceiling, let's go.
No, fall on your face.
Man.
Go get it. Hurry. Okay, if the spider bites you, it won't even be that bad.
It moves while just doing that. Wow, look like gay right now. Let me get like a towel. Like a shirt.
No, then you won't be able to tell if you killed it.
Oh my god, it'll like fall on the floor, it'll just go out under the bed.
Please just somebody kill it.
Retain your mouth. I'm not getting it right now, god.
Why?
Because it's up in the top. I'll like miss, I'll just go.
Okay, well go up and do fake hit it so it moves.
Can I throw a shoe at it?
Sure.
I'm leaving.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh god.
It's right there! Get it! It's right there! Just get it!
Get the dang
How
thing.
can I hit
It
it?
goes by my bed, I swear to God.
Just, hey, grab this camera, give me the shoe, and I'll hit it.
Okay, thanks.
You're gonna miss, you're gonna hit a bottle and it's just gonna flutter around. You getting over here and watching this?
Oh my god.
Right there, relax! Oh my god, smush the bottle. Smush the bottle into the head. Dad, look, come get it!
Oh my god.
Smush its guts out.
That is a big freaking spider.
It's not dead, it's still moving.
I broke all of its legs.
That is a big spider.
And that is how it's done.
Yay!
The ends.